Okay, so here we go. This is the copper cables first. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to swap out the cables now. Remember to turn your amps off before you start messing with speaker cables. Hold on. Okay, so now we're back for the swap out. Now we put in some VERASTARR silver foil cables. These are 2.5-inch wide, high purity silver foils that I have made for us to spec. And so we're going to listen to the difference. And we'll talk about it after. Same volume. Okay, so y'all can say what you heard if you'd like, comment, but I'm going to tell you what I heard, and it was better clarity in the upper mid and better top end extension. More air, more realism. Definitely sounded more real to me. If you can't hear the difference between those two cables that we just did, be happy, because that means you will be satisfied with just any old cable. Well, not just any old cable, actually. The previous cable was copper foil, which is a lot different from just copper round wire. Now, for people listening for some huge difference, it's not a huge difference, but it takes, somebody who has a good ear to listen for upper mid listen for top end extension, and listen for realism. And really, it's kind of hard. Hopefully, you can do it on the other end of the YouTube. But here, it's pretty simple to tell the difference. One definitely sounds more real. It even has better percussive tightness on the actually in like the mid bass. The upper bass has this real nice tightness, a tautness that just wasn't there with the copper, which is weird. So silver, I would say it's quicker and tighter. And again, it's not just any old silver. We use high purity silver, and not only that, but it's foil, which is different than round wire. Now, I'm not going to go into a discussion about that because this is not the place for that, okay? I'm just showing you the difference between silver and copper foil. That's it for this vid. Thanks for joining.